Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of my new craft journey with dressmycraft. And here comes another kit, and I am super excited to share with all of you. And here is a quick glimpse as to what we got. And so let me share all the materials in detail. So here comes the first hard plastic ball, which comes in a small packet, and there are 5 full sets. And this is another similar item, which is circle plastic ball, again 5 full sets. So these are heavy metal rings which can be used to make, D-ring albums or accessories. And these are bubblegum accessories, stars, and the next one is DIY chain, and of course acrylic chain baby pink. All these 3 can be used to jazz up your projects or to make keychains or charms. So let's come to the sequins family, and so we got crystal blue sequin, and you can see how pretty is the mix. Then the next one is white sunshine sequins, and all these sequins can be used to make shaker cards, shaker embellishments. Then you can jazz up your backgrounds of the projects. And this is another sequins we got, which is crystal clear sequins, and this one is my favorite. So let's come to the next product, which is miniature accessories, and everybody love miniatures. So these are cute jokers we got this time, and mini kitty, and the third one is baby boy. And I'm just waiting to start a project with miniature. So next in the lot is flower pearls. This is a green color, and in total we got 6 colors, and trust me, these flower pearls are super amazing. And these flower pearls, you can use it for mixed media art, you can use it for flowers, you can use it for cards, shakers. And these pearls, you can use it in so many different ways on so many different projects. They are super adorable, and they come in various colors. Well, I have green, I've got black, then we get purple, then there is pink, followed by snow white, and the last one is blue. Well, there are other colors as well, but these are also amazing. So I hope you love the kit. I hope you like the supplies. I mean, they are super gorgeous, and thrilled to use them in my next projects and make some amazing crafts.